For this other portion of the notes on geometric probability, I wanted to do a separate video to recall your memory on spinors and how the degrees in a circle are going to elevate our first set of sections, where all we had to do is count the parts. And now we're going to do it based off of the degrees in a circle. So the first thing that you need to remember first is how many degrees are in a full circle. And a full circle is made out of 360 degrees. So the fractions that we are going to set up here is going to be the degrees that you want over 360 for the full circle. So find the probability for each outcome on the game spinner shown at the right. First one says receive a free spin. So if you look closely here, you can see the word free. Our free turn is going to be 90 degrees. So to calculate this probability, we're going to do the 90 degrees that we want over 360 degrees for the circle. You will type that into your boxes, and that will reduce your fraction to 1/4. You will change that to a decimal, 0.25, and then change that to a percent, 25%. The next one wants lose a turn. So if you look closely here, lose a turn is this section, and it has 140 degrees. So we want to know 140 degrees, or we want to land in 140 degrees out of 360 degrees. So we will type that into our boxes to reduce our fraction, and our reduced fraction becomes 7 out of 18. We're going to change that to a decimal, and we're going to round it to the hundreds place, 0.39, and that will become the percent, 39%. Okay, the next one wants receive 10 bonus points. So you can see receive 10 is right here, and it is only 30 degrees, a small section. So we're going to put the degrees that we're trying to aim for, or trying to land. We want to land in the 30 degree section out of 360 degrees. You will type that into the boxes, reduce your fraction. 30 out of 360 becomes 1/12. We will type that in and convert to a decimal, rounding to the hundreds place, 0.08, and that will become 8%. Okay, to land in the move forward 2 spaces, you can see move 2 is in a 70 degree section. So we want to land somewhere in those 70 degrees out of the full circle. We'll type that in to reduce our fraction. Our reduced fraction becomes 7 out of 36. Convert that to a decimal and round, 0.19, and that becomes 19%. Okay, for the last one, they want the lose 5, which you can see is right here in another 30 degree section. So we've kind of already done the work for that one. So we have 30 degrees out of 360, which is the same as this one. So you can type it all in again if you want. Me, I already know that they are going to be the same because they have the same sector area with that 30%. So all the information will be the same. All right, so from the picture, we can tell like who you have a bigger chance of getting, but you can see even better from the numbers how much of a percent chance that you have to get the sections that you want.